Alright, and we're going to continue with decorating now. We've got our shell border glued on, and there's really no limit to what you can do with this. If you're really into monochromatic colors, so like we've got pink and blue here, you can even paint your shells. If you know somebody who's got a favorite color, you can come back to your same paint you had before, your acrylic paint. You can paint the tips of these, which gives it a really cool effect. So we're going to have a little pink border here because this is going to go right on my desk. You can paint the whole shell. You can just do the tips like I'm doing here. And you can even do this before if you want to paint designs on your shells. That's another great idea to do. Just to make sure, remember once again, when using these paints, and we're using acrylic paint, you want to give yourself about an hour per coat. If not, you're going to end up with all kinds of things running together. So now we've got a cute little border to match all our other borders. And I'm actually going to apply some more paint to these little shells here. And this acrylic paint is great because when you're dealing with any porous surface, like shells or wood, it's going to soak that paint right up, so you're not going to have any problems. Acrylic paint is a great all-purpose paint for crafts. And then I'm going to leave the rest of those just like so.